Southern Chevy TV presents Miss Ruby, a 89 Chevy Caprice LS, coming out the muddy Mississippi.
Oh, you done did it now.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Chevy Box Rider, Southern Chevy TV, here with another little update. And now we are back on the OBS. I know I did a little to be continued, so let's pick up where we left off. Give me 1 second. Video, you know, we did the install of the new dash. We did some new door speakers. Done put the radio in, put some speakers on the back side. So now it is time to address some more stuff. This seat. I am not liking this seat, so it's time to address this seat. Also, it is time to address these ugly mirrors. It is time. So let me show you what I had coming in. Yeah, YouTube, there it is. Boy, I got some new packages came in. Oh yeah, let's get it. So let's start with the smaller box. All right, we're gonna get this going. Let's see what we got here. Mirror number 1 and mirror number 2, and look like it comes with hardware too. So I picked these up. These up off eBay. I think I paid $48, no, $38. I paid $38 for them. And because I had to get rid of the way the other mirrors was looking. They were looking so horrible. So, get it out of here. And they are the folding style. So I am going to eventually color match them. I am going to do that. But yeah, man. So definitely had to get those mirrors, man. Definitely had to get those mirrors. So, you know, each one of them gonna look the same. So that's gonna be a good look on there. So now, let me get the seats. Yeah, YouTube, here go the seats. Man, look at that. Got the 454 seats. What, 454 style seats. So, man, I'm happy with them. I think they look good. I think I got them on the wrong side because they're all manual, you know. But they're in pretty good shape, man, I must say. They're in real good shape. As you can see, real good shape. Real good shape. So I'm happy with them. I paid, now I did pay some money for them. I paid $250 a piece for them. So that was $500, but then I had two $20 off coupons on eBay. So I got them, what, $460? So not too bad. And then now I got the mirrors, and I'm still waiting on my carpet to come in. I just got the tracker number on it. It should have been here, but I mean, hey, it is what it is. Ain't nothing you can do about shipping and things of that nature. So next it'll be to go ahead and install them. So that'll be the next part, and I'll cut you back on when I go ahead and do it. I'm probably not gonna do it today. Matter of fact, yeah, scratch that. It's late in the day. I don't think I'm gonna do it today, but I'm definitely gonna get these mirrors on and get the seats in. Cause also I'm thinking about building me a custom console, some console for the OBS. So, man, just stay tuned. Just wanted to come up with a little update since I don't have nothing else to do. I got a little. It's not even an update video for Ruby. It's just, I went to a couple places just checking on things. So, like I say, Ruby is just pretty much on hold. Not hold by me, but it's just put on hold. So I don't know when we're really gonna get any action with Ruby. So right now we might as well just play with the OBS. Right, YouTube, I decided to come on out and knock this window, that mirror out. So first thing you wanna do is spin your handle around until you can pop that little clip out. This is the little clip right here you want to get out. Once you pop that clip out, just feel around and you can feel the clips, let it out. get it loose. Then you wanna undo this screw right here, which I done already started it with the screwdriver and got it out, as you can see. So next, you wanna kind of pull it out some, and give me 1 second, let me pop this off, and I have to cut you off. After you pop this little bezel off, it ain't nothing but some little pops. That's all it is, little clips holding it. So once you pop that, then you're able to take the whole door panel off. And once you got the whole door panel off, then you want to come over right in here. Got like some little sound deadener or something of some sorts stuffed in the door. And then you should be able to see your 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. So let me get them screws out. Cut you back on YouTube. Got the door panels back on, even on that side. And here's how it looks. Tell me what you think, man. I think it looks good. A whole better sporty look. Let's see. Let me go around on this side and show you. Man, that's a real better sporty look. I must admit. Real better look. So, I'm liking it. Well, that's all I got for y'all now, YouTube. Next video, we shall be tackling the seat and the carpet. So y'all stay tuned. OneCleanOBS coming your way. Southern Chevy TV signing out.
By Southern Chevy TV.